Welcome back to Hot Rod Guy Garage. And it's Saturday, it's sunny, so let's drive Project Phoenix to a car show. So I really need to start driving this thing every single day and prep for the No Name Nationals. So we're gonna start driving it quite a bit. So let's get loaded up. So far, I already like these new seats. They sit a lot better than the old wore out Metro seats out of Project Freetro. So that's a win, I guess. Gotta let the fuel system prime. It's awful good. And alright guys, I hope everybody enjoyed the pictures I took at the car show. It was a pretty good little turnout. Place has real good food. Had a good time. Project Phoenix done well, driving there and back. Absolutely no issues. I am going to have to probably put a starter on it before the No Name Nationals, but that's something I'll address when I get there. So, pretty much guys, if you like this kind of content, like this video. I'd appreciate it if you'd share it with your friends, and most importantly, subscribe because it helps small channels like mine grow. And as always, I'll see you at the next one.